Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Google SketchUp. My name is Arnold and I have a partner Yanis who created this video with me. So the first thing you know about Google SketchUp is how to choose a template. Click the button that says choose template. Now it gives you a wide variety between metric and imperial system. For this video we're just going to use the simple meters. So then click start using SketchUp and you will end up with this empty green page. So the first thing you need to know is how to use this button. Now this button is called the orbit button. Why? Because it allows you to orbit and see a 360-degree view of everything, as I'm showing you. Now, the next thing that you're going to have to need to know is how to use the pan button. Now this is the pan button. It looks like the hand. It allows you to drag and see a different view of whatever you are making. Yes, now the next button that you will need to know how to use is the square or rectangle. Yes, this allows you basically to create your basic shapes. What you do is basically drag until you have a shape that you want. There are also other shapes you can make, such as the circle. And in this edition of Google SketchUp for Mac, there's one special button which is the hexagon, which you can only get in this version though, not for PC. The next thing that you are going to need to know is the push-pull button. This is one of the most useful tools in Google SketchUp. It allows you to create objects 3D. You do so by clicking on your square or circle or rectangle and pulling it up or even down. For this, we're just going to make a 3D square. In the bottom you can change your measurements to fit precisely, and then you can do so with your other objects as well. Now, this is your basic need to know to use Google SketchUp. You also need to know how to use the erase button. It's quite simple to learn. You basically click the button and click on the line you want to erase. Different lines erase different items. Now use the line tool, which looks like a pencil, which allows you to create different lines. You can basically draw a line through anything you want. As you can see, you can be very creative with this tool and create very abstract shapes. Now, the next tool you need to know is how to use the arc tool. This tool allows you to build arcs. What a coincidence. Now, to use this tool, you basically click on 2 points, take the 2 points, and then you drag it to whatever shape arc you want. It can be flat or it can be vertical, as you can see. Now, I built something very abstract. I don't know what it represents, but it's just a little something to show you what Google SketchUp can actually do. So, this is the import button. This is the move button. This allows you to move objects and spread them out and even change their height and width. Now this is something I want to show you what you can make with Google SketchUp. I made this about a year ago. Basically, you can make almost anything, but it's mainly used for designing buildings, as you see. Now I'm going to show you how to use a few other tools, such as the paint bucket tool, which is quite important. Now it's quite self-explanatory as well. The paint bucket tool allows you to paint items, and in Google SketchUp there are many different kind of textures you can choose. For example, you can have the ground cover, which allows you to make roads and different types of stone items. You also have roofing for your roofs. If I can find it. Oh, no, this is asphalt, this is the right one. Roofing, there you go. And if you want, you can make a roof like my other building, but I'm not too much to do so now. Next thing you know is very important is the translucent. It allows you to see through walls and make windows. Very important tool on Google SketchUp. So, this has been a basic walkthrough for Google SketchUp. I hope you learned something. Thank you very much.